another video. Today I got a new Star Wars bounty box, and this version is the Empire Strikes Back. And let's get into it. But before we do, make sure you leave a like on the video and subscribe down below. So we're gonna open it up first. Like, how do you open it?
Lift it up.
Oh, it's the other one. Okay. There's a Venom makes a cameo in every video. So for the pin and patch, the pin is Lando Calrissian. I think that's his name. Alright. We'll just put that right there. And for the patch, we got Yoda. And now we get into the Funko Pops and shirts if we got one. We got a Star Wars Rebels. What is this? Like a gift card thing, I think? I don't know. Or this is going to be the next bounty box, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. But we got a Han Solo on a Tauntaun, which is gigantic and awesome.
No.
We got a Star Wars socks. I think those are socks. And we got a Wampa stuffed animal. Yeah. Look, nice. Well, that was all. That was all we got in our Smuggler's Bounty today. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe down to the video below. And yeah, that's it. Bye, dudes and dudettes. See you soon.